Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Explore with Suchita. Today I am going to show you how to prepare instant masala dosa by using only 3 ingredients without any batter fermentation and without any ready-made batter, and also I am going to share you one technique by which you can earn money. So please watch complete video. Before that, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos you'll get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends. One of the techniques by which you can start earning is through stock market. Now I'm going to share you one Telegram channel's details. You can subscribe to that channel and you can learn tips, tricks, strategies and techniques which you can use for trading in stock market. They have mentioned the profits. They have mentioned even the profits of students which they have done per day. I'll be displaying their contact details on the screen, and I'll be given the Telegram channel link in the description box also. You can click the link and you can subscribe to that channel and you can learn more about the stock markets and trading, and directly you can contact them. Even in Telegram channel also they will be giving the calls what to buy and about what price you have to buy and what price you have to sell. You can see it is displaying on the screen also. If you learn the tips and tricks strategies, you can easily earn money. So if you want to learn, if you are interested, you can contact them. And even I will be giving you their Instagram and Twitter, Telegram details in the description box. You can see the profits which they have made per day. They have done around 2.4k of profit and around 2400 rupees of profits, and the students have also made the profit per day. Everything you will get the detail in Telegram channel. I have done a profit of 2212 rupees. If you want in detail, if you want to learn everything, you can contact them. Now on the screen, I am displaying very few profits. If you subscribe to the channel in Telegram, you can come to know in detail about the profits and techniques which they have used. Link will be given in the description box, and links for Twitter and Instagram will also be displayed in the description box. You can check the link given in the description box. Now what you are seeing is Instagram. The main profile name is Intelligence Trader. There also they have posted about the profits and some of the tips which we need to use in stock market for trading. There also you can directly contact them. They are available on WhatsApp, Instagram, Twitter and Telegram. Now what you are seeing is the profit which they have made yesterday, that is of rupees 1518, and this is the profit of previous day, that is 5322 rupees. Even they have mentioned the profits which the students have made after they have taken the course. After taking the course, you can see they have done so many profits, around 3000 to 4000 rupees. And here is one more profit of rupees 1918. If you are interested, if you want to earn money, you can join the course and you can learn the strategies and techniques used for trading in stock market. The details of everything have been displayed in the description box. You can check the links, and on the screen also I have given their Telegram contact details and WhatsApp contact details. You can contact them through that also, and in Twitter also they have posted few things related to stock markets. You can check that also. If you subscribe to their Telegram channel, they will be giving calls so that you will come to know how the stock market will work and on what techniques we need to buy the stocks, so that you can make more profits. And the profits of students who have joined the course have also been mentioned in their Telegram channel. In their Twitter channel also they have mentioned the same thing, so you can contact them in any of the social media platforms. Today I am preparing instant masala dosa. For this I am not using any ready-made batter, or I am not preparing batter on previous day. Morning itself I am preparing instant masala dosa. For that I am using only 2 to 3 ingredients. For that I have taken first ingredient is poha. Today I am using thin poha. I am adding 1.5 cups of poha. Take measurement in the same bowl. See, I am adding 1.5 cups of poha. And now I'm adding here 1.5 cup of Bangalore Rava or Bombay Rava. One and a half cups of poha and 1.5 cups of rava. Once I will wash this and allow it to soak it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then I will show you the next procedure. If we are preparing masala dosa, then we need potato palya or aloo palya. For that, preparing potato palya, I have taken potatoes. Now I am adding water. I have taken potatoes in cooker and I will allow it to pressure cook for 1 whistle. I am adding little salt and I will pressure cook it for 1 whistle. Now I have taken a pan. I am adding little oil. Once the oil is heated, I am adding mustard, jeera, chana dal, urd dal, once the mustard starts popping, I am adding 1 chopped onion and 2 chopped green chilies and then curry leaf. I will add little salt. Once the onion is fried, I am adding turmeric powder. Now I am adding smashed potatoes. Mix it well. Now I am adding chopped coriander. If you want salt, you can add it. If I mix this well, potato palya is ready for instant masala dosa. Now I am preparing red chutney to apply inside dosa. For that I have taken 5 baggy chilies. I will allow it to boil. We should boil in such a way that the chilies should get soft. You can see now it's boiling, and if you touch like this, chilies are also soft. It's enough. Now I'll switch off the stove. Now I have transferred the boiled red chilies to mixer jar. Now I am adding half raw onion, around 1 inch of ginger, few garlic, and around 1 spoon of jeera and little fried grams. Around 1 spoon of tamarind juice, and salt for taste. Now I'll grind this. And now red chutney is also ready. You can store it in airtight container for 20 days if you keep it in refrigerator. For preparing coconut chutney, I have roasted here few garlic, green chili and curry leaves. Now I am adding coconut. You can use grated coconut or chopped coconut. Once I will grind this. Now I am adding fried grams, lemon juice, very little sugar, that is for taste, and then coriander and salt for taste. Once again I will grind this by adding water. Now you can see coconut chutney is also ready. You can see now after 15 minutes rava will be in this consistency. Now I am transferring this to mixer jar. Just by using 3 ingredients we can prepare masala dosa instantly at home. And now poha. I am transferring poha to mixer jar. One secret ingredient for preparing instant dosa is curd. Around 2 spoons of curd I am using today. Now I am adding water. And now I will grind this. Now you can see it's fine paste now. Now the batter for instant dosa is ready. Another ingredient, main ingredient for preparing masala dosa is sugar. Sugar gives the caramelized texture. So I am adding 1 spoon of sugar today. And now I am adding salt for taste. I will mix this. And finally the batter for instant dosa is ready. Within 20 minutes we can prepare the batter for instant dosa. For preparing any of the dosas, once the tawa is heated, put some water and wipe it with a dry cloth. Oil content should not be there. In such a way we have to wipe it. You can see my instant dosa batter. Once the tawa is heated, start preparing dosa. We have not done any batter fermentation and all, but also you can see the bubbles. This is because of curd we have used. Now I am adding oil. You can add ghee or butter if you want. You can see the bubbles which is formed as normal dosa. You can see here golden brown color is also formed. This is because sugar which we have used. It will give the caramelized texture. Once it starts turning to little golden brown in color, I am adding red chutney which I prepared now. After applying red chutney, I am placing potato palya. And you can even see it comes easily from tawa also. If you want, you can apply again oil. Now my instant masala dosa is ready. See, I am showing you once again. After each and every dosa, pour some water, normal water, and wipe it with a dry cloth. If there is any oil content in tawa, the dosa batter again sticks back to your spatula. So oil content should not be there. After wiping, we can pour the prepared dosa batter. This procedure we need to follow it for every dosa which we prepare. We cannot find or we cannot make out any difference between instant dosa and normal dosa batter, which we prepare by using fermentation. Bubbles will form in the same way. Now I am adding oil. Once it starts turning to little golden brown in color, we can apply red chutney. And then I am placing potato palya. Now another masala dosa is also ready. Now you can see yummy and very tasty instant masala dosa is ready. Inside potato pulao is also there. Easily we can prepare masala dosa along with coconut chutney. Hope so you enjoyed my video. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that if I publish any videos, you will get the notification. Please like my videos and share it with your friends.